Task automation software versus workflow management tools. Which one is better for streamlining processes? Most people get this wrong by thinking any process tool will automatically improve efficiency. The surprising truth is that task automation software and workflow management tools serve complementary but distinct purposes. Choosing the right one can drastically improve how teams operate. Task automation software like Zapier, Automate.io, or Microsoft Power Automate focuses on automating repetitive, manual tasks. For example, automatically sending a Slack notification whenever a new lead enters the CRM or copying form responses into a spreadsheet. These tools save time, reduce errors, and free employees to focus on higher value work. Workflow management tools such as Asana, Trello, or Monday.com are designed to visualize, plan, and track processes from start to finish. Teams can assign tasks, set deadlines, monitor progress, and ensure accountability. For instance, a marketing team can manage a content campaign from ideation to publication, seeing all dependencies and bottlenecks in one place. The key difference is action versus oversight. Task automation removes repetitive work, while workflow management provides structure and visibility. Many organizations find the best results when combining both, use workflow tools to design and track processes and automation software to eliminate repetitive steps within those workflows. The takeaway is clear: if your main goal is to reduce manual effort and speed up repetitive tasks, task automation software is the better choice. If your goal is to organize, monitor, and optimize team processes, workflow management tools are essential. The surprising truth is that when used together, they not only streamline processes but also enhance efficiency, accountability, and productivity, creating a smarter and faster workplace.